What is Amazon? Hi everyone, meet Bob Wilson. Every time he wants to buy something, he would usually drive to the mall to purchase it. Sadly, there would be times that the product is either unavailable or maybe priced differently. Bob would then have to drive to other general stores or come back to the same store at a later date, which makes it a very time-consuming process. Olive tells Bob about shopping on Amazon, one of the largest retail stores online. It is very easy to use and only takes a few clicks. You can follow our free step-by-step guide. With a wide variety of products, you can compare prices from different sellers, ship it directly to your doorstep, or schedule an easy pickup. In case you are not satisfied with the purchase, you can return it back hassle-free. Additionally, you can view product ratings and reviews given by other consumers about their experience to assist you in making a good choice. Bob can now browse products conveniently and get them delivered to his doorstep or schedule an in-store pickup to ensure the product is available at the best price and save so much time. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is presented by the Boomerem, a non-profit organization that aims to bridge the global digital divide.